I just got done with a ride, hence the braids, because I ride with a helmet, so I braid my hair. And when I got back, look what I got. My keto box. Ooh. This is the first one that I've gotten. So I thought I would open it with you guys. See what's in here. So they give you like a little card, refer a friend, get rewards. So I will put my link down below. And then I also got a bunch of coupons. Cool. All right. So we got some pork clouds. They're rosemary and sea salt. I'm looking forward to these. Nutritional facts, 100 calories for one package. Total fat, 6 grams. Total carbohydrates, 0. Protein, 12 grams. So just like pork rinds. Just with some added flavor. Ooh. We got a mug cake. And this one is per container as well, 1 pouch. 420 calories. 38 grams of fat. 28 grams of carbs. Oh, wow. I think it's all the added sugar. Oh, there's allulose in here. Well, this might end up being like, I'll make it and then give like half of it or over half of it to Chris. And it'll just be like kind of a treat for us. Next we have a protein bar. Raw Rev Glow, I think is what it says. Yeah. Radiance from the inside out. Creamy peanut butter and sea salt. This one says 180 calories. 11 grams of fat. Total carbs 17 grams. Fiber, though, is 14 grams, so I guess it makes it only 3 grams per bar. Protein, 15 grams. So this would be good on a ride if I'm feeling hungry. I might throw that in my ride backpack. Ooh, Stoka bars. More crunch, less carbs. Cocoa. I'm gonna have to read all these ingredients and stuff. Make sure things are gluten-free for myself. This one is. That's cool. All right, so 250 calories. Total carbs is 18 grams. Fiber is 6 grams. So then that would be 12 grams of carbs. Net carbs. But it says, oh, there's 8 grams of sugar alcohol too. So 4 grams of net carbs in this bar. So we'll give that a try. It's like almonds and stuff. Cocoa almond. This one is Crazy Go Nuts Garlic Parmesan All Natural Walnuts. Yum. Try on a salad with roasted vegetables in a casserole. So serving size is 1 ounce. Calories 180. Total fat 18 grams. Total carbs 5. Fiber 2 grams and 4 grams of protein. So these sound really good. I've never had like savory walnuts. So that sounds good. Ooh, some beef sticks. These are awesome. Ooh, I can't wait to try these. These are Nick sticks. Beef raised without antibiotics or hormones, no added things. So this one is really, really hard to read because it's so tiny. One package, 120 calories, 8 grams of fat, 0 carbs, 10 grams of protein. I'm excited to try those. I've been wanting to get like chomps or something else in order to just have like a little bit extra protein on the go if I need it. So that'll be really helpful. Ketogenic meal replacement, instant keto meal. Chocolate fudge brownie. All right, well, we'll try that. So this is what it looks like. And 200 calories, 3 carbs, 1 dietary fiber carb, 11 grams of protein, and 16 grams of fat. So it's not bad. Sounds like all good stuff in it, so I don't know, we'll see. I don't know if I'll use it as a meal replacement, but we will see. Ooh, some S. Pellegrino in the wild tangerine, or tangerine and wild strawberry flavor. Flavored mineral water, 0 calories, 0 carbs, 0 protein, 0 fat. Cool. So I got a nice drink to try. Kiss My Keto coffee. MCT powder, coconut oil powder, cocoa powder, and instant organic coffee. Cool, I think you just add water. Yep, mix 1 satchel in 8 ounces of hot water and drink 1 to 2 times per day. Well, I got 1, so. So calories in this one, 220. Total fat, 21. Carbs, 8, but 6 of it is dietary fiber, and 3 grams of protein in that. So that'll be fun to try. Oh, cool. We got some smart cakes. Awesome. So 2 smart cakes. Looks like, so per 1 cake, it is 38 calories, 2.5 grams of fat, 9 grams of carbs, but 5 of that is dietary fiber, and 4 grams of protein. I'm excited to try these. I've heard other people try them and they say they're good, so, and they're gluten-free, so I can try them. Yay, yay! Ooh, there's something else in here. It's all wrapped up in this fancy paper. Whoa, what did we get? Barbecue sauce, yay! I've been looking for a barbecue sauce that's gluten-free and keto, and I am super excited. 2 tablespoons, 20 calories, 1 gram of fat, 5 grams of carbs, but 1 of those is dietary fiber, and 2 grams is sugar alcohol, and 1 gram of protein. Yay! So, once I'm done the beef and butter fast, which is in a couple of days, I think maybe this weekend, we will have steak with barbecue sauce. That's exciting. That is all I got in the box, and man, I'm excited to try some of this stuff, and I'm sure Chris will be excited to get the leftovers of what I try. If there's things that, well, like that mug cake, I'm not too sure, just because of the carbs, if I'm going to eat the whole thing, so he'll get a bit of that for sure. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will share my keto box code below so that you can get your own box. Okay, we'll see you later. Bye.